Hello everybody, this is Mr. Kimmel with another screencast for Life Science. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the fossil record. The Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. Earth has gone through many stages and continues to change today. These changes drive the evolution of species on Earth. We can see how species have evolved by examining the rock and fossil record. How do we know the Earth is 4.6 billion years old? That is how old scientists have determined the oldest rocks to be using a technique called absolute dating or radiometric dating. This technique involves determining the amount of radioactive isotope left in a rock or fossil sample to determine its approximate age. Relative dating is another method used to age rocks and fossils. This method tells scientists the order in which events happen. It does not tell us the age of the sample. Recall that sedimentary rocks have layers because of the way the sediment settles over time. The law of superposition states that the bottom layer of sedimentary rock is older than the top layer because the bottom layer formed first. Most layers aren't straight either. They bend and shift due to the forceful movement of Earth's crust. The principle of cross-cutting relationships states that the geologic features that cut rock layers are younger than the layers themselves. Basically, you can't cut into rock layers that haven't formed yet, so the rock layers have to be older. Again, Earth is dynamic, meaning it is constantly changing. Plate tectonics is the movement of tectonic plates that causes the continents to move. It causes the geographic separation of populations, leading to the evolution of new species. Fossils found around the world tell scientists what environmental changes occurred due to plate tectonics. For example, plant and dinosaur fossils found on Antarctica tell us that it was formerly a warmer climate than it is today. Pangaea is a supercontinent that once existed and split to form today's continents. The continents today fit together kind of like a puzzle. A clue to the existence of Pangaea is that there have been fossils found on different continents that were very similar and matched geological features found on both sides of the Atlantic Ocean. The geologic timescale is a model of the history of life on Earth based on geology and the fossil record. The timescale divides Earth's history into chunks of time based on organisms living during each period. The largest periods of time are called eons. There are two, the Precambrian and Phanerozoic eons. Eons are divided into eras, the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic era. Eras are divided into periods. You may recognize the name of some of these. Finally, periods are divided into epochs. According to this chart, we currently live in the Phanerozoic eon, the Cenozoic era, the Quaternary period, and the Holocene epoch. The symbol Ma here means millions of years ago. The chart on the right shows how life evolved through each time period according to the fossil record. A fossil record is a group of fossils that have been analyzed and arranged into chronological order of existence. A fossil is a remnant or trace of an organism from the past embedded and preserved in Earth's crust. They are found in layers of sedimentary rock. Most form from the hard parts of an organism, such as teeth, bones, claws, wood, shells, etc. And they are used to trace the order in which evolutionary changes have occurred. Scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists. How do fossils form? First, an organism dies. Then, sediments cover the body and the softer parts decompose. Over time, the harder parts are replaced with minerals. The fossil will remain in the rock until the rock layers erode and expose it. There are many types of fossils. First type is called a body fossil. This type of fossil is made of part of the body or the whole body. Mold fossil is an imprint of the organism on a rock, such as this shell mold and a leaf imprint. Petrified fossil occurs when the organic matter is replaced with minerals and turned to stone. This fish and this wood are petrified. Trace fossil is a fossil of something left behind by an organism, such as footprints and even feces. This fossilized poo is called coprolite. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.